Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we're diving deep into HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2025, our system has ranked HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.4. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of nearly 10%. This equates to an average return of approximately 1.41% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a very wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this could present a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the upper trend line at $66.18 would signal a strong buying opportunity, indicating a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 0.0359% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 34.67% to positive 4.43%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 97.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 18.33% to 177.57% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $74.96 and $175.84. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A. The stock price for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A increased by 1.28% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. This rise took the price from $62.55 to $63.35. During the trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.01%, reaching a low of $62.46 and a high of $65.59. Remarkably, the price has risen on 8 of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 33.09% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the day before. Overall, 35 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $2.21 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price stands 13.2% or $9.63 below the 52-week high of $72.98, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated experienced significant stock volatility following the release of its second quarter financial results, which fell short of Wall Street revenue expectations, leading to a nearly 10% drop in after-hours trading. Despite a year-over-year revenue increase of 73%, reaching $544,800,000. The company's third quarter forecast also missed the mark, raising concerns among investors. While HIMS and HERS reported stronger than expected profit due to steady subscription growth, the overall sentiment is clouded by these misses alongside external pressures. Notably, the termination of collaboration with Novo Nordisk over sales concerns has resulted in securities class actions, further complicating the company's outlook. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased selling pressure, as investor confidence may wane amidst the legal scrutiny and missed forecasts. Long-term implications will hinge on the company's ability to restore growth momentum and effectively navigate legal challenges. A strong recovery in upcoming quarters and reassurance in communications could stabilize or boost the stock price as investors reassess the company's potential in the growing telehealth market. Analyst ratings. On Saturday, the 28th of June, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned HIMS a sector perform rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup issued a sell rating for HIMS, along with a hold action. On the same day, Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, UBS rated HIMS as underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, Needham reported a buy rating for HIMS, accompanied by a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup again rated HIMS as sell with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock currently indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $62.03 and $53.25. A drop below either of these points would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 31st, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 4.28%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 31 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 9 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 59 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $54.73 and $52.35. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A finds support just below today's level at $54.73. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $52.35 and $49.47. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.13 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.01%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it could indicate that investors are expecting significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 18 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $64.02. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $54.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chi Michael, who bought and sold 26,600 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 34.664. Overall, insiders purchased 733,156 shares and sold 1,513,963 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $60.11, reflecting a decrease of 5.12%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good investment choice? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook, leading us to believe that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock, to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will open higher by 450 0.10 of a dollar, starting at $63.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.